Hi all, I don't know if you're like me who hate Mondays, but if yes, then I would love to share most fun, interesting and positive facts about the worst day of the week, that is Monday, and maybe this video will change your outlook about Mondays. Fact 1. Do you know of all the 7 days of the week, Monday is the only day that is an anagram for a word, and that word is dynamo. For those who don't know what anagram means, let me tell you, anagram is a word formed by rearranging the letters of another word. So it's Monday rearranged to dynamo. Fact 2. Most of us, wait. All of us get really exhausted and dull on Mondays, but did you know it's proven also? As per studies, an average person whines for about 34 minutes on Monday compared to 22 minutes on other days. Well, I can totally relate to it. How about you all? Fact 3. Monday is also known as Heart Attack Day because there is marked 20% increase in the rate of heart attacks, and it is also considered Suicide Day, being the day of the week where the most people take their own life. Not just this, even your weight is more on this day of the week compared to the other days. And this is because you were just eating and resting more on weekends. Fact 4. Though Monday being a lazy and worst day of the week, it has some positive side too. Do you know if you are looking for a vehicle purchase, then as per studies, Monday is the best day for purchasing as you are most likely to get a better deal than on any other day of the week. Reason being, on Mondays the salesperson has all the time in the world to attend to you, your needs and your bargain power as compared to the other days of the week. And even if you are looking for stock investment, then do it on Monday as the statistics shows that US stock market rises on Monday. I must say those are good positive facts about Monday. Fact 5. Monday is the day which has some good beginnings ever in the history too. For example, do you know the famous YouTube became a reality on Monday? The famous Disney character Mickey Mouse made his first appearance on TV on Monday. The famous book Narnia, The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe was to launch on a Monday, and our favorite chocolate brand Nutella and Hershey Kisses were released on Monday too. Wow, that seems like a chocolatey Monday affair. Well, at last I can say Monday is also a lucky day to begin something new. So whatever you do it on a Monday. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Facty Head for more such interesting facts.